quotation for what it would do to do the kitchen.
That's it, Kai.
Oh.
Crawl towards me.
Ba, ba, ba. Baby girl. Come here, Simone.
Here we go, Kai. Come here, Kai. That's
Good,
it.
baby, that's it. Go on, Kai. Go sit down in the camera. Treat. Treat, come here. Go on, Kai. Come on, Kai. Off you go, Missy Daddy. Hey, Kai.
Come here, Kai. Whoa.
Stand up, you nurse. Ba, 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 ba.
That's it, Kai. Come to the camera.
Oh, did you give Bob a kiss? Did you give Bob a kiss? Can you give him a kiss, Kai? Sure, give him a kiss. Give your Teddy a kiss. Come here, Kai. Here's Kai's daddy.
Oh.
Kai's coming.
There's so much action.
Come here, Kai. Come and get him. Come and get your Teddy.
Those diapers are huge that she's got on.
There's your Teddy bear. Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Kai, can you dance? Yeah. Whoa. Kai. Kai. Do you like your teddy bear? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Do you like your teddy? Oh. Give it a big hug. Whoa. Are you wrestling with your teddy bear?